Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime with Cardiff Central Library Hub. Today is the start of our Christmas stories! Hooray, it's Christmas time! And some of you might be putting up Christmas trees at the moment in your houses. So I thought it would be a good idea to read a story called Oh Christmas Tree. It's written by Hendra, it's illustrated by Paul Linnet, and I'm reading it with the permission of Macmillan Publishers. Shall we find out what happens when a Christmas tree doesn't really want to be a Christmas tree? Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, Christmas tree. On Sydney Street at Christmas time, there's magic in the air. Windows bright with twinkly lights and sparkles everywhere. At 31, the tree is huge. At 32, it's pink. At 33, it's very tall and classy, don't you think? But why no tree at this house? No wreath upon the door? Whatever can be going on at number 34? There should be decorations when Christmas time arrives. So why is it that in this house they're running for their lives? Ah! Is it a bird? Is it a cat? Is it a monster? Is it a hat? Who could be chasing them? What could it be? Well, blow me down. It's a Christmas tree! Into the kitchen, the whole lot go racing. But hang on, the tree isn't doing the chasing. Stop, hisses Tinsel. Can we talk? Calls out Belle. Slow down, pleads Bauble. Don't make me yell. You're not fooling anyone. What's all this about? But Tree carried on. I'm not here. I've gone out. Now Bauble was fuming. Why can't you see? We tree decorations and you are our tree. We've all had enough. Why don't you stand still? Just get in that pot. You know the drill. There's been some confusion, Tree knelt down and said. I'm not standing around with a star on my head. I don't want to be dressed up. I want to be free. Now I have to be going, so please excuse me. I'd rather be baking. I love to keep fit, and sometimes I watch the TV for a bit. Science is gripping and skating is great. But to stand in a pot looking sparkly, I'd hate. Bauble was livid. I think that you're rotten. Christmas is special. It can't be forgotten. The tree was confused now and somewhat surprised. Well, I didn't come here to be criticised. Enough of this nonsense. Prepare for some shocks. I truly love Christmas. It's awesome. It rocks. I'll be helping with lunch. I'm both willing and able. I bet that they'll make me the head of the table. And then there's the crackers. I do love a riddle. And those colourful hats that they hide in the middle. But it's being together with family and friends that makes Christmas special and sad when it ends. Oh, I wonder if there'll be a present for me. I'm not sure. Have you been a good tree? Of course I've been good. I always behave. And that was when Belle had her crafty brainwave. Dear Tree, we do have a present for you. I think you deserve it and the others do too. A present for me? Oh, I'd like that a lot. Now pop off and get it. Go on, off you trot. When they came back, Tree was shouting, Yippee! What is it? What is it? What can it be? We just know that you'll love it. We don't mean to gloat. You were right. How fantastic! New boots, hat and coat. I'm so warm. I'm so cozy. Oh, I love it, I do. And now I can take part in winter sports too. I'll be sledging and skiing, carve statues of ice and a trek to the North Pole. Now, that would be nice. I'm sorry that you couldn't decorate me, but it just couldn't happen. I'm not that sort of tree. I'd be nothing but trouble, that much is true. You should show me the door without further ado. Bauble stepped forward. You're one of a kind. You haven't annoyed us. We really don't mind. The others all grinned at Belle's clever coat stunt. For the back of the coat didn't quite match the front. So they'd managed to decorate the Christmas tree that didn't want to be decorated after all. Have great fun decorating your Christmas trees in your houses, and we'll see you very soon for another Christmassy story. Bye everyone.